This little music montage was recorded for the last video here in the channel. A video of 10 tips for you to improve your rhythm in the dance floor. I got very inspired by this actual little clip that I decided to use it in the musicality course to show the different elements in the percussion, in the rhythms, to discuss the different functions of the instruments in Forró. And since it all started because this video I recorded here for YouTube, I thought it would be nice and cool to actually share a little excerpt of this musicality video here with you guys. Here it goes. And the triangle plays all the subdivisions. You remember the subdivisions from the video? We have the tempo, divided in 2, divided in 4. We have the 4 subdivisions that are used mostly in Forró, and the triangle plays them all. Let's listen. And what did I do with my clap? Do you remember from the other videos? I did the pattern that defines the syncopation in Forró. Right? I'm fascinated by the Forró beats and all the possibilities that we have as dancers to explore all these elements, these accents, these nuances that are parts of the Forró vocabulary. If you're interested in this kind of content, I'm putting here in the description of this video links to the full course with more than 4 hours of content focus on this kind of thing. Focus on the Forró beats and rhythms and what we can do as dancers to make the most of these rhythms in our dance. And as always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. This helps the channel. If you're interested in this kind of content and haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We do have a lot of material talking about musicality, about steps, about the culture around Forró, about events, and much, much more. And that's it. A big hug to you all. A kiss. See you in the next video. If you're interested in my work as a musician, I invite you to visit my artist page. Link here in the description of this video.